my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do these cute little twisty bubble braids. They're super easy. They are inspired by Fillerup. She has worn these on her Instagram and I just thought I would show you guys how to do them. They're super easy and fast and they always look adorable. Okay, so I am going to get started with these cute twisty braids. First I have to get my little elastics out. I just bought new ones because I ran out the other day when I did this hairstyle initially. So yeah. Alright, so I am going to take 4 clear elastics for this side. And what I'm going to do first is, well, I split this in 2. And then I am going to put it in 2 little ponytails. And I'm going to leave some hair out to curl when I'm finished. Okay, so there's the first one. Then you take the next little elastic and you make a bubble. So there's your bubble, and then you pull it apart and you're going to flip the hair through. So bubble, do a little flippy flip, and pull through. Then you take your next elastic and you make a second bubble. And you do the same thing here. Okay, and then your final bubble. And then we're going to loosen these babies up. Okay, so there's your 3 little twisties. And then you pull them apart to really make them look cute and twisty and bubbly and just all the good stuff. Okay, so there's the first one, and I'm going to go on to the second side too. Okay, and then the same with this side. I'm just going to start out. Ooh. There we go. I might have to go get Arthur. I fed him hoping that he wouldn't cry, but he would be fine. He won't get into my hair stuff or makeup. I have it up right now. Alright, so there's your first bubble. And twist. Now my second bubble. Seriously, this is the quickest hairstyle. And there we go again. And finally, right here, and just again, you make the bubble, you split it apart, and then you're gonna flip this through. Okay, perfect. And I'm just gonna pull these apart as well and make them all cute and bubbly as well, just like the other side. Then I'm gonna pull some pieces of hair out and curl my bangs. Okay, and then the finishing touch for this hairstyle is you just take your bangs and you curl them. And then I like to pull out a couple pieces of hair too, and I'll curl those as well. I have to go get the puppy. And just well, I committed now. I didn't want that much. Oh well. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked these cute twisty braids. If you give them a try, please let me know. And give this video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, we'll see you next time. Say bye. Say bye. I just want to play. I just want to play with everyone. Okay, bye guys.